We spotted Nada starting a tour with only one couple. We asked if we could join her tour, because based on our eavesdropping, she sounded interesting. She explained that it was a free tour with just a gratuity at the end if warranted. For the next 2 hours she entertained and educated us with the fascinating Diocletian's palace. It was a very hot day and, unlike other guides around us, she always found a place where we could stand in the shade while she explained the site. Her English is very good and she added enough local backstory to confirm that she really knows her local history. I would definitely recommend Nada. Best tour guide ever. Very informative and fun tour. Nadia was very approachable and knowledgeable while keeping storyline easy to follow. I definitely recommended Nadia as a guide if you want to learn more about history and get insight into life of locals. It was a great experience. Nadia is very friendly. She's full of local knowledge, she knows history really well, she's got great sense of humor, her fun facts are really funny.